The difference in my pomegranate butter, it's solid and it adds great hold to your hair. Now when it comes to my pomegranate mango moisturizer, it's much lighter and a lot fluffier. This is my new pomegranate mango moisturizer. Let me show you guys how it's made. To start off with this moisturizer, we're gonna grab our raw shea butter. It's not too hard of a butter and it's also not too soft. This is gonna be really good to give our moisturizer a nice fluffy feel to the point where it won't melt crazy in transit, but it also won't be too solid and lose its light fluffiness feel. Following up with the shea butter, we're gonna go in with our avocado butter. Since this is a moisturizer, we're gonna use moisturizing ingredients. Our third and final butter is going to be mango butter. It's a little harder than shea butter, but softer than cocoa butter. Perfect for moisturization and keeping the moisturizer in great shape in transit in this crazy summer heat. And as always, you want to make sure to follow up your butter with your carrier oil formula. If you don't know how to make your own formula, be sure to check out my business community where I teach you how to make your own products, start your own business, and leverage social media to grow that business to 10,000 plus in revenue every single month. Once you've learned how to formulate your own products, you want to come back and add your carrier oil formula to a bowl. This is a moisturizing product. Our carrier oils are going to be moisturizing oils, which are going to be olive oil, rosehip oil, and organic coconut oil. Now on the side of the carrier oil, we need essential oils and fragrance oils. These are all optional, but I would like for my product to smell great. We're going to use vitamin E oil, organic tea tree oil, and the fragrance we're going to use is going to be the pomegranate mango fragrance oil. As our butters are melting on our double boiler, I'm going to use that time to add the labels on the jars. And by the time I'm done, the butter should be about 80% melted. And once the butters are completely melted, make sure to use a oven mitt or rag because the steam will burn your fingers. Once the butter is completely melted, we're gonna let it cool down for a few minutes and we're gonna follow with our carrier oil mixture. Once the butters and oils are mixed together, cover that up real good and pop it in the freezer for about an hour and 30 minutes. It took me almost 2 hours. Now that the butters are solidified, it is time to whip. Start whipping up your butter. After 30 minutes, your butter should double up in size. Perfect time to add your fragrance, vitamin E, and your essential oil mixture. Whip it up for about 10 more minutes. Now I made sure to make a big batch for this Juneteenth sale. If you didn't know, I am having a sale on the website for Juneteenth. Use code June19 at checkout for 35% off. Order as many products as you want. I'm prepared. Now I like to finish up my butters with arrow powder to bring down the greasiness level. So over here, that is exactly what we're doing. We're gonna go ahead and give it a final whip for about 5 minutes until we get our moisturizer nice and fluffy. All right, the moisturizer is all done. Now it's time to add it to our 4-ounce jars. Throw it on the website for Juneteenth and it's ready for purchase. Follow me for more product making videos.